Hi, I'm Christopher Saunders. I'm a Senior Employment Advisor for the British Medical Association, Cymru Wales. We have an office in Cardiff with representation in North Wales and a head office in London. So we have various resources at our fingertips. We're happy to speak with doctors and medical students alike and answer any questions that you have about BMA membership. There really are many benefits of being a BMA member, including individual and collective advice, support and representation from our member relations team. There's a contract checking service to ensure that the contract that you're being offered is in line with the model terms and conditions that has been specifically negotiated for you by the BMA. And also, more topical, we also provide advice in relation to NHS pensions and much more. If you'd like to find out more information about BMA membership, then you can do that on our website on www.bma.org.uk.